Okay, so welcome back, or welcome to my next one. I'm going to do something different today. We're going to talk about this. This is the Wuben G5, available on Amazon. And I'm showing you two because we're going to talk about mine, which gets a lot of use, and this is one of my kids. So after buying mine, I got them each one. And yep, that's the way I am. If I find something I like that works well, I get them as well because we all camp, and these are absolutely phenomenal. And you can't beat it. 20 bucks. I mean, I think they're on Amazon like $25. There's a 20% off coupon. It works out to like $20. Typically, we do knives here, but you know, if you're a knife guy, you probably EDC a flashlight. Now, this isn't my EDC flashlight. The EDC flashlight I do for work is, I don't know what it is, OLED or something. I'll make a video on that sometime. But I want to share this because I just got back from summer camp. And we actually went camping on Bear Island in North Carolina. And one of the things on Bear Island is they protect the turtles. When you have turtles, you can't have white light at night because they think it's the sun and they might start migrating towards you, so you have to use red light. And how perfect it was, because me and my older boy, we each had ours. So plenty of light for us. Didn't have to run to Walmart or anything. Okay, so this is the box. This is what you get. Comes like this, instruction manual, and a cord and lanyard with a key ring. So the key ring and lanyard attached on the bottom, like so. And get this out of the way. That comes in the package with a USB-C to A. Okay. This thing is phenomenal. So a few things about it. It does have a pocket clip. The pocket clip is like movable, so you can carry it whatever fits you. If you want to clip it on your hat, or you want to carry it in your pocket. If you want to carry it like straight out or make it disappear, you just pull it, let it go, and it goes to the side like so. There it is. If you want to go to the other side, pull it out, flip it around. Good retention, not too bad, kind of easy in, easy over. The star of the show is the light. So it is fully adjustable, 180 degrees. The slide switch, this is the lock position, it will not turn on. This is on, and then this is also on and charge. So that is the on position. The button is here. One click, turns it on, hold it down, there goes the color. There's your white. You get sand and mine. There we go. So it goes from dim to bright or turbo. Don't know what the lumens are on it. 400 lumen. So according to the box, it's 400 lumen. You know, but it's a small light, so I'm not expecting it to do what, you know, a massive light's going to do. Double click, and you have a flashing strobe. Pretty cool. That is red and blue, because the sound of the police. Click it again, and it's white light. Double click, hold it down, it goes to color. The wheel rotates various colors: red, violet, blue, green, or like a teal, green, to yellow, orange, red, to blue. So pretty wild. So this was really handy because we were able to turn it to red light. Okay. So again, double click, and it goes to flashing. Double click. Solid. Hold it down. White. turbo, color, and then double click illuminating. Now the illumination goes red, blue. Slow to fast. Hold that. The double click. Red, green. Double click again. It's like a red, yellow. Double click again. And back to red, blue. So when you push down, it does give you a flashing. This is your battery. So blue is like 90 to 100 or something. Let's not quote me on this. It's really weird the way it does it. So in the instructions, it does tell you that you get solid blue is 90, flashing blue is 40 to 90, solid red is 15 to 40, and then flashing red is 0 to 15. So flashing blue, I'm somewhere between 40 and 90%. So it's a big range, but you know what? At least it tells you. That's cool. I'm good with that. Type-C rechargeable. Overall length of this, it's pretty small. So you're talking, you know, under 2.5 inches, top to bottom. Oh yeah, and it's magnetic. So beefy dub, that's magnetic. On the width, on the widest, we're like 1.5 inches. And then the thickness, it's like 3/8 of an inch or so. It's under half an inch, about, oh yeah, 3/8 of an inch, whatever that is. What does that look like? 3/8. What's bigger than 3/8? 5/16? 7/16? 7/16. Somewhere in there. Doesn't matter. I'm just splitting hairs. There it is. So, well, I mean, it wouldn't be my channel if we didn't. Let's bring out a pair of 3 or something. There it is against pair of 3. And here it is against the everyday axe. As you see, the blade is about the same length. Maybe slightly longer. Maybe. Edge. Handle. Alright. Well, get yourself one. This is the Wuben G5. There are imposters. As with anything, you make something good, and China rips it off. Imagine that. Shocker, right? Alright. Wuben G5. Amazon. It's like 20 bucks with a coupon. Can't beat it. Maybe it might be cheaper. I don't know. Prime days. I don't know. Prime days right now. July 8th. Get yourself the Wuben. And you will see me in the next one. Alright, give me that lovin'. And then we'll meet in the next one.
I made you a logo.
I love it, buddy. But you gotta sign it.
And more knives, Jack.